What is up, guys? It's Shani. Let me tell you about an easy way to sell some of your unwanted clothes stress-free. Poshmark. Yes, Poshmark has been so good to me over the past couple of months that I had to tell you all about it. And make sure to stick around and play the Poshmark game. I will set the link to my closet in the description box below. With that being said, let me show you how to play this fun and exciting game. Alright, so what should I wear today? I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I'm just gonna like mess around. This is cute or whatever. This is cute. This denim jacket. Ooh, I'm loving the little Tupac at the. Ooh, this is cute. It says classic. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Something different. But you know what? It needs something else. You know, it needs. Oh my God! I knew it. Bah. Like literally so cute. I'm loving it. Girl with the clout. Yes, we love clout. Honestly, literally so cute. I love it. Okay. Honestly, so I'm loving this. Cher meets Disco Queen meets Mamma Mia Part 2. This shirt looks very familiar. Brings back some memories, honestly. But you know what? Still love it. Still looks good. Still feel like a princess or whatever. Can we just talk about the back? Like, it's so cute, honestly, literally. Okay. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this cute little Clueless Cher meets Melanie Martinez meets Shani Monroy look. Honestly, so cute. I'm loving it with some cute glasses, you know. Wow, all these accessories, all these fits. I'm looking bomb, literally. Well, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to download Poshmark. Link in my description box below. I sure hope you like the items that I have for sale. I hold them close to my heart, and I just want them to find the right closet. See you guys next time. Bye.